How to organize activities. Go to the Planner page and click on the Activities tab. If you haven't set parameters yet, click Configure or Configurations button on the right side. From the Configuration page, click the Add Activity button and add as many activities as you need. Once done, return to the Activity Planner. Click the Create Activities Planner button. Enter a name for the calendar, set the status, and apply it to the desired rooms. After the calendar is created, click on it to open. Click on any day of the month to add an activity for that day. In the Activity modal, select an existing activity or create a new one. Set the start time, add a description for the activity, and click Save. Teachers in the selected rooms for this calendar will be able to report these activities for children in the daily reports.